Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out supports and resistances quite straightforward. Now remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by just talking about more so general levels and, then walking you through some questions. And then based on how you answer those questions, that'll kind of dictate the current status of the chart. The big question going forward right now, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you anybody that understands charts, uses charts, is wondering the same exact thing. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same type of general idea, it can produce some pretty big movements. And that idea, like I said, by no means am I trying to come across like this is a great discovery on my part, but a lot of people are now watching this green line down here at 102.50. Why is that so important? Well, going back in the history of things, you can see on 2 separate and prior occasions, the price got some nice bounces off of there. And right now, the price is once again trying to generate some sort of bounce. But the big question you need to ask yourself, let's just say 20 hours. So you're watching this video 20 hours from, right now as I record it. And I'm a little jealous of you because you're going to have all this, data at, you'll know what happens. But the big question, where's the price at relative to 102.50? If the price is still up above it, so if you're answering the question that the price is above it, well, that's good. I'm not saying that means the entire chart is bullish, but that means that at least the price is trying to stabilize and build some sort of higher base. So, I mean, if you're watching it, like I said, and it's just kind of going sideways down around here, then like I said, that's not like hugely bullish, but it's definitely at least the price is going sideways. Now, a little common sense needs to come into play if you're watching this, and not only is the price up above 102.50, but all of a sudden it's up here at 118. Well, that would tell you that, hey, not only did 102.50 hold strong, but it actually provided a very nice bounce point, and now the bulls are starting to really flex their muscles. On the flip side of things, though, if the price is down below 102.50, again, little gut instincts, common sense needs to come into play. If you're watching it and the price is, slightly right there, okay, that's definitely bearish. But if you're watching this 20 hours from now and the price is, down at, $95, well, that would be telling you that not only are the bears back in full control, they're actually gaining that much more momentum and strength. So 102.50, a lot of people going to be watching this level. So let's see how this thing plays out over the next 24 to 48 hours. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.